Alright, hey guys, so welcome to the first annual burping contest between me and Bea. So, me and Bea will pick sodas, 2 different sodas, and we'll drink them for 15 seconds, or actually 10 seconds, and then we both put down our drinks, and then we burp. Whoever burps the loudest wins, and it's 5 rounds. So we're gonna, or 3. Let's do 3 for now, and then for the second annual we'll do this. Alright, hold on. So let me get Bea's timer. Okay. I can't believe I'm so cute. Okay, so don't open it yet.
I belong with you.
Shh, don't sing, Bea. Don't sing.
You belong with me, and I said, oh. 10 seconds. There you go.
Okay, hold on. Waka, waka, waka.
Word. I don't want to.
Actually, let's not do the timer because Bea's timer sucks. Alright, so ready? So we'll count to 10, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. It starts when we drink. 1, 2, 3. Ready? First round. I can't do it. Your turn. I won. Okay, second round. Ready? Second round. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. So then we don't have 2 things. You just suck on it.
Why?
Works, trust me. Ready?
Huh.
Ready? 1, 2.
Ready? 1.
Oh! I win the second round. Last round, hold on. Oh man. Oh gosh. Okay, for this one we'll just do it for 5 seconds. Okay, ready?
Oh gosh.
1, 2, 3. Tie. No. Okay, well, it doesn't matter because I still won the first annual burping contest. Yay! Alright, guys. Well, next video is going to be tomorrow. And, yeah. So, bye.